In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva app step by step. If you want to create a presentation, design a social media post, or make a quick graphic while you're away from your computer, Canva's mobile app makes that process much easier. The app is designed to work smoothly on both phones and tablets, so you can build professional looking designs without needing a full desktop setup. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to open the app, start a project, add elements and text, adjust your layout, and export your final design. First, open your device and tap the Canva app icon. Once the app loads, you'll arrive at the home screen where your recent designs and templates are available. To start something new, tap the purple plus button near the bottom center of the screen. This is where you create a fresh project. After tapping the plus button, a menu of design formats will appear. Scroll through the available options and choose the format that fits your project. For example, you might select an Instagram post, a story layout, or a presentation. As soon as you tap your choice, Canva opens a blank canvas in the mobile editor, ready for you to begin designing. Next, let's add a visual element. Tap the purple plus icon in the lower left area of the editor to open the content drawer. From there, choose Elements. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can type in keywords related to your design theme. When the results appear, tap the element you want and Canva will place it directly onto your canvas. This is one of the easiest ways to build out the look of your design quickly. Now let's add text. Tap the same plus button again, then choose Text. Select Add a Text Box and a text layer will appear on your canvas. Tap inside the box to type your message. Once your text is in place, use the toolbar at the bottom to scroll through formatting options. You can open the font menu and choose a style that matches the tone of your design. Clean, readable fonts usually work best, especially on smaller mobile layouts. To refine your design, tap an element on the canvas to reveal the adjustment handles. Drag the corner handles to resize it, or use the side controls to crop if needed. If you want to change which item appears in front or behind another, open the position option from the bottom toolbar, go to Layers, and move your text or graphics into the right order. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check by dragging elements slightly and watching for Canva's snap guides. These help keep everything balanced. When you're ready, tap the export icon at the top right, choose Download, select PNG, and then tap the purple download button.